All right. So, Arun, tell me something about your hobbies. Like, apart from your professional background, apart from other things, like, what do you love to do in your free time?
Yes, I would love to play cricket.
Cricket, nice. Who's your favorite player, by the way?
Rohit Sharma.
Sorry, Rohit Sharma.
Yes,
Okay, so why do you like Rohit Sharma? Like, what all qualities do you see in him?
because there are a lot of qualities like good batsman, good
Mm-hmm.
skipper,
Mm-hmm.
good team player, good captain, good uh, 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 experienced person also.
All right. Okay, so do you also love, like you said, you love cricket, right?
Yeah,
Do you
I
also
love
love
to
watching?
play. I love to watch. I love to.
Okay, what about IPL? Do you watch IPL?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, which is your favorite team? I think it's Mumbai Indians
Mumbai.
because you are a fan of Rohit Sharma, right?
Yes, sir.
So it has to be Mumbai Indians. So okay, apart from Rohit Sharma, like what do you think who's a better player apart from
Uh,
Rohit Sharma?
KL Rahul.
KL Rahul, interesting. All right. What about Virat Kohli or maybe Dhoni? Like, what do you think about
Yeah,
them?
both are a good player, but the best quality in Rohit Sharma and KL Rahul also.
Okay. Okay. So, Arun, as you said that you love to play cricket, I would like to ask you, when you play cricket, are you a bowler or a batsman? What do you love to do? Batting or bowling?
As a all rounder, but I love
Eh,
to do batting maximum time.
Batting and bowling both. So, you're an all-rounder.
Yes.
That's interesting. Okay. So, apart from cricket, what all sports do you play?
No, I don't any other like just for time pass. We'll play sometime chess and sometime online Ludo.
All right. So, do you go with your friends, like at weekends or maybe something like that?
Uh, yes, in daily I'll go sometimes like in a month, one time in a month, 2 months, because I don't have many times to play the game, and also not not there are not many friends to go to play the match. So that's
Okay, okay. So you don't have a lot of friends in Delhi.
yes.
No, no worries about that. Okay. So Arun, if I have to ask you about your motivation behind learning the language or to maybe improve your communication, why do you want to do it? Like, is it for professional reasons or personal
Yes,
reasons?
is it for professional reason?
Professional reasons. Okay. So why do you think it's important?
Because I have to interact with many overseas clients.
Okay, you deal with overseas clients also. So in that case, of course, you need to have good communication.
So that's I'll need more to speak in English and explain everything in English. So that
Okay, interesting. All right. So I think to get success in your organization and to maybe promotion or
level
the
up.
promotion as well, I think you need good communication skills because if you have to deal with native speakers, your overseas clients, I think communication is really important.
Yeah, right.
So, like apart from taking sessions, what else do you do to improve your communication?
Uh, Currently nothing.
Nothing, you're not doing anything. Okay, I'll tell you something. So I'll give you some tips. Just try to follow them, and I think in no time you'll be able to speak a little more fluent. All right.
Yeah, right.
So the first thing is, do you love to read books,
Uh,
newspaper, or something like that?
yes, I love, but yes, I love.
Okay, you love, but not that much.
Yes,
But you know what? If you want to learn a language, you have to create an environment around you. For example, if I'm watching something on YouTube, it has to be in English. If I'm reading something, it has to be in English. So make sure whatever you're consuming as information, it has to be in English. So that's how we will learn, right?
right.
So from now onwards, if you go by metro, I want you to, okay, your metro ride takes around 40 minutes from your house till your office. It's 40 minutes. Okay, for 20 minutes, okay, for at least 15 minutes, I want you to read something daily. And for 15 minutes more, like the other 15 minutes, you can listen to something. You can listen to some interviews. You can watch something. You can even watch a movie if you want. But you have to focus on your reading and listening while traveling. Because 40 minutes, in 40 minutes, you can do a lot of things.
Yeah, right.
So just don't waste time. Just try to incorporate these things. You will see drastic results.
Okay.
All right. So Arun, do you have any question for me? I'll be more than happy to answer.
Uh,
Any
so
question?
any other ideas to improve my
Ideas. Okay, let's talk about ideas. All right. So I have asked, you can write it down if you want.
uh, okay, it will be the recording session, so you have
Yes,
to
yes,
write.
yes. Yeah, you can listen to it afterwards also. So the first thing is reading.
Okay.
Okay. Second thing is listening. You have to consume information in English. All right. And the third is speaking, like you do in sessions, and you can also even talk to yourself in mirror. Like give yourself a topic and try to talk about the topic. That's how you will gain confidence. So these three tips are really important: reading, listening, and then practicing